Alright guys, so the Indica Blue Scat is back. The diffuser is in from China. So we sprayed it off with a bunch of Lysol and we're going to go ahead and get it installed. So in order to change the diffuser out, you need to remove these push pins and then all these, what are those? 7 millimeters? Yeah. So push pin on each side and then these 7 millimeters going across the back. And that'll gain us access to the pop tabs that are up in here. Diffuser off. So as you can see, we've got the old diffuser off. Like I said, after you removed all the hardware, it's just got snap clips that go into this edge right here. Got those all undone. So we'll go ahead and get everything cleaned off and get it prepped to put the new one on. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the side tabs all pushed in around the whole top part, and now we're going to go through and drill the holes out for the factory fasteners to go back in. So that's going to wrap up the diffuser. We got all the hardware back in it, the holes drilled, got the exhaust centered up in the holes. We're looking good. That carbon though, I don't know if it's showing up. Yeah, it's showing up on camera there. Nice little addition to this clean ride. So hope this video helps you guys out get your diffuser installed. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.